Now today we're going to be diving into the H96 Max X3 8K device. Oh my gosh, this thing it's got some really good stuff. If you missed my last video shows some of the codecs that this thing has. It's got the Dolby Vision, it's got all the it's called amlogic something something dot whatever number dot awesome. When I see the awesome after that, I already know it's running some of that 4K or some of that full surround sound quality where the device is doing the work and it's not being passed through or forced onto your products. So make sure you guys do subscribe to the channel, give me that thumbs up, leave me a question below or a comment just of what you guys think of the device, and I will leave the links in the description. So let's check this out. I do have the device here connected. It does have a clock here at the front. The design of this thing is pretty neat how it's circled. Now the only limitation I would say is this remote. You would need to get a better remote than this, because this one, I'm not a fan of it. I don't like it at all, and I'm sorry, I don't know what else to tell you. So what can this thing do? So we're gonna dive here more into the settings. So minus the remote, that it is annoying of me just like, look at this, I'm clicking. I don't know if you can tell with my finger. I'm gonna get some thumb arthritis, but look at this. Yeah, it's get yourself a better remote. That's all I can say about this one. The remote is the biggest downfall with this thing so far, but that's okay. Get a good solid one, and you should be good to go. Now, everything that you get, I did talk about the in my previous video with my apps. There's tons of stuff here that you get that are really good. I added a few extra ones here to check out the specs and everything that's really truly inside. Now, check this out. If you go to browser, they have their own little dedicated browser where you could get certain things. So here's some of your pin tiles. Here's some of the apps that you can get. It's pretty neat how it has different things here. You can clear all your cookies, your cache. It's pretty cool. So we're going to go back out of here. If you go to my files, this is where you can go here to your whatever you downloaded. So let's just say when you first open it, you're going to get local disk. You come here, and then what you do is you go to download, and then whatever you downloaded, this is where it's going to be at. Now if you have file linked, everything's going to be within file link. You don't have to come here. If you download through Chrome, you're going to have to go through that area. Now, what are some of the settings? Now, this is one thing I really like to do here. I'm going to turn off my camera. What you see here is at the top, you see your network. When it comes to your accounts, you got your Google and your Prime. If you add more apps, you'll be able to get there. If you have your applications that you want to force close, force stop, uninstall, clear cache, clear data, this is the section to do it. Very neat there. So we're going to back out of here, and just some good stuff right there. So we're going to click on device preferences, and here is your about. If you go to about, you could do a system update. All you got to do is just click on this. It says your system's already up to date. I could check it again if I want. And if I do, it's going to run its updater thing and be sure that I am good to go. So there it goes. Everything's up to date on what they want. You could restart your device. You can tell it's version 9. Lots of good stuff here. Now for your Bluetooth, you can set up whatever Bluetooth you want. You can set up your date and time, your language, your keyboard, your surround sound. This is where you're going to be able to set all the formats up for Dolby Atmos and all that stuff. It's great. This thing has true surround sound quality. For your storage, you do have 128 gigs of storage. And once everything is said and done with the pre-apps, you get a little bit less than that. For your screensaver, you can set that up. Location, security restrictions, your accessibility to set up your text-to-speech, your font sizes. It's really neat how it's all there. Now, your remotes and accessories, you could search here and pair different Bluetooth items there. So that's very neat. And here it has a shortcut for your system update. Now, when it comes to the device itself, here at the bottom, if you click this plus sign, you could add shortcuts. So if I click on this, I hit the back button, boom, it's going to be there. If I want to get rid of it, I hit that plus button again, I uncheck that green mark, and it's going to be gone. Now, right on top where it has the date, you're going to see that little blue brush icon. Click on this, and it's going to clear and release your cached RAM or whatever it is that you got. So we're going to click on here now, YouTube, and check out a quick video from my other channel called World of Rohas. If you don't know about my channel, check it out. So here it is. I have tons of travel stuff in here, some great stuff. And if you like to travel, or even if you can't travel because you want to stay safe and stay clean, there you go. Check this out. This is a 4K video, and it looks really clean, really good. Now I am running a 1080 HDMI cable that comes included within the device. Can't even say my words now. But it is doing an upscale of 4K, and I can definitely tell what it's doing. And I just checked the quality. It has that 4K quality. It looks really clean and clear. I'm not getting any buffer. I always click on it right away to see if it's cached, and it looks like there is. Like it's slowly caching some of it, so I know that it is definitely 4K. Now if you get a good HDMI cable, you will be set and ready to go. So this device, I'm telling you, it has tons of stuff there. It's all there. You could do a lot of good stuff, and you guys will definitely enjoy this one. Now stay tuned. We're going to be doing the rankings. We're going to be doing the checklist. That will be my next video on this device. As always, you guys know I have in the description links for all this stuff, so that way you guys can get a hold of it. You guys take care of each other, and I'll see you guys soon.